Welcome to the Polka Dot Voting Automation Setup Guide. Tired of spending hours tracking proposals or paying high fees for every vote? This tool can save your DAO time and money. For example, our team cut $90 in voting costs to just $9 by batching transactions and reduced weekly voting time from 20 minutes to under 2. Let's set it up in about 20 minutes. First, let's gather what you need. Install GitHub Desktop from desktop.github.com to manage the script. Get Visual Studio Code from code.visualstudio.com to edit it. And download the LTS version of Node.js from nodejs.org. After installing Node.js, open a terminal and type node-ov and npm-av to confirm it's working. You'll also need a Notion account and a proxy address controlled by your multisig. Got everything? Great! Step 1. Head to the Notion voting template linked in the description. Click a duplicate to copy it to your workspace. This template has a database ready to track referendum titles, statuses, and your voting decisions. It's the heart of our automation. Step 2. Create a Notion API key. Go to 3 dots in the upper right corner, and then Connections, Manage Connections, and then select a Develop or Manage New Integration, and click on New Integration. Select your workspace, and give it a name you like, Automated API, and hit Create. Copy the internal integration secret. This is your API key. Keep it safe, as it gives access to your Notion data. Step 3. Connect your integration to the template. Open your duplicated voting page, go to the Connections section in the database settings, and select Add Connections. Find your new integration by name and click to connect it. This lets the script update your database automatically. Step 4. Grab your database ID. Open your voting page and look at the URL. The database ID is the long string after notion.so and before the question mark. Copy it carefully. Don't include the v equals a part. You'll need this soon. Step 5. Let's get the script. Visit the GitHub repo linked below and click to fork to make your own copy. Then, click Open in GitHub Desktop to clone it to your computer. This sets up the code you'll customize next. Step 6. Create a proposer address in Mimi for batching votes. Open app.mimi.global, select your network and wallet, and go to Settings, then Wallet Settings. Scroll down, create a new address, and set it as your proposer. This address doesn't need DOT, it just prepares transactions for your multisig to sign. Step 7. Configure the script. Open your cloned repo in Visual Studio Code. Find or create a file called .env based on the .env.example file. Paste in your Notion API key, database ID, multisig proxy addresses for Kusama or Polka Dot, the voting threshold, and your proposer's mnemonic phrase. The start minute lets you set the minute when you want to start the tool. Typing 40 for example will start the tool at minute 40 according to your clock. Be sure to keep this file private, it's got sensitive info. Step 8. Time to run it. In VS Code, open a terminal and type cd backend to get inside the script directory, then type npm install to get the required packages. Then, run npm run build to prepare the script, and npm run start to launch it. The script will now check pokeassembly every 15 minutes to update your Notion page. You can adjust this timing in the .env file if needed. Step 9. Ready to vote? Review proposals in Notion and mark them ready to vote. Then, while the script is running, visit localhost 3000 send to Mimi in your browser. The script will batch all votes into one transaction in 10 to 15 seconds. In Mimi, click the batch icon and restore to see your prepared votes ready for signing. And that's it. Your automation is live, saving you hours of tracking and slashing voting costs. If you hit any snags, check your .env file, Notion connection, or reinstall dependencies with npm install. Links to all resources are below. Happy voting!